Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to compare these two numbers and now we can find which one of these numbers are greater than the other number. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first I can write these two numbers in this fraction form, and here we have 18 to the power of 16 over 16 to the power of 18. And now we can first simplify this relation. After that we move towards to tells us which number is greater or which number is lesser, so that here we can rewrite this equation as here you have 18 to the power of 16 over 16 to the power of 18, and we can write this 18 as 2 times of 9. You know that 2 times of 9 is 18 and its whole power 16 over here you have 16, and we find the prime factors of 16 as 2 to the power of 4 and its whole power 18. And after this step we can use here the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a times of b to the power of m, so we can write it as a to the power of m times of b to the power of m. So now we can just use this exponential law in the upper side, and after that we will use here this exponential law in the denominator, and here we have a to the power of m to the power of n, so it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So here we need these two exponential laws so that now we can apply here in the numerator and the denominator, so that in the numerator we can apply here this exponential law, and according to this exponential law the output of this expression will becomes in the form of 2 to the power of 16 times 9 to the power of 16 and whole hour. Now we can apply here this exponential law, and according to this exponential law we have just multiplied by 4 to the 18, and you know that 4 18s is equals to 72, so we can write it as 2 to the power of 72. And after that now I can here we need another exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m over a to the power of n, so it is equals to a to the power of m minus n. So now here we need this exponential law, so that we can use here this exponential law, and we just move this exponent 2 to the power of 16 in the denominator, and you see that bases on both are same, so that we can subtract the exponent of the upper term by the lower term, so that we can write it as 9 to the power of 16 over 2 to the power of 72 minus 16. So here you have 9 to the power of 16 over 2 to the power of 72 minus 16, and 72 minus 16 is equals to 2 to the power of 56. And now we can write this 9 as here you have 9, and we know that 9 is equals to 3 squared, so we write it as 3 squared and its whole exponent 16 over here we have 2 to the power of 56, and we can write it as 2 to the power of 7 times of 8, and you know that 7 times of 8 is equals to 56. So now we can simplify this term, and we write it as here you have 3 to the power of 2 to the power 16, and we can again use this exponential law here, so that according to this law we will get the output of this term is 3 to the power of 32 over 2 to the power of 7 times of 8. And now we can again simplify the terms, and we can write this 32 as 2 to the power of 4 times of 8 over 2 to the power of 7 times of 8. And now we can again use here the exponential law, and we can write these terms as 2 to the power of 4 and its whole power 8, and this whole over we have 2 to the power of 7 and its whole power 8. So this expression is equals to 18 to the power of 16 over 16 to the power of 18. And now in the next step we will just simplify the terms, and you will get here 18 to the power of 16 over 16 to the power of 18, and this whole is equals to, here you see that the exponent of both of the terms are same, so that we will write it as 2 to the power of 4 over 2 to the power of 7 and its whole power 8. And we will write it as, here you see that the bases on both exponents are same, so that we will subtract the upper exponent by the lower exponent. Sorry, here we have some mistake. Here we can write this 3 to the power 32, so it will be written as 3 to the power of 4 times of 8. So this is the 3 to the power of 4. So here we can write it as 3 to the power of 4 and its whole power 8. So you know that 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 81, and 2 to the power of 7 is equals to 122 and its whole power 8. So you can see that this 81 over 122 is less than 1, so its whole power 8 is also less than 1. So here we just conclude that this expression is less than 1. So if this expression is less than 1, it means that 18 to the power of 16 over 16 to the power of 18 is less than 1, and this implies that 18 to the power of 16 is less than 16 to the power of 18. So this is the our final conclusion, and I can just write in the given question statement as, so this term is lesser than this term, and this is the our final answer of this question. And I hope so you will understand these nice tricks. So that thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.